Salty, singing these songs makes me feel like I want to love everybody. But it's hard to love everybody.
You're right. It's not easy for us to love everybody. When we try to love people just by trying hard, we find ourselves running out of steam.
I know what you mean. There's this kid at my school, and I know I'm supposed to love him, but he drives me bananas. What do I do?
We have to ask God to give us His love for other people. You've heard of agape love, haven't you?
Yeah.
Agape love is the kind of love God has for us. He has agape love for everyone. And God's love is free, and He loves us no matter what we do. And because we're God's children, we can love other people the way He loves them. All we have to do is ask the Lord to give us His agape love.
Are you sure God wants us to love everybody?
I sure am. It says so in the Bible. I even have a song about it. Come on, let's sing it.